Hello friends, I'm Varun Vohra and welcome to my channel IT with Varun Vohra to master the fundamentals. Friends, as we move forward in our ITGC journey, as part of which I already have over 100 plus videos related to various control areas across application, server and database layers with a new video every week on my channel. As I say in all my videos, this knowledge is not available in any book or over the web, so please try to understand these concepts thoroughly as they will help in your career. In continuation of our information security ITGC category, under which we have covered vulnerability management and patch management till date across all key server and database layers, we will continue the information security ITGC category, and today we'll start a new control area which is intrusion detection and understand how to test intrusion detection for Windows Server. Friends, before I start, I just want to say one thing, that please do not mix this intrusion detection concept with the IDS concept at the network layer, which is a different area altogether. When you talk about intrusion detection system at network layer, which is also known as IDS, that's a separate area, and we'll talk about it when we discuss network security testing in the future. But today the video is around the intrusion detection control area within information security ITGC category, and we'll talk about how to test intrusion detection for Windows Server. So let's start with the first step in the process, which is the request. So for intrusion detection testing, what we need is, there are three items which I've listed on the board here as well. So let's go through each one of them. First one is system settings to verify security events from the Windows Server are logged. So settings which can help us verify security events are logged. We cannot specify the settings here because it all depends on the tool. So understand it from a conceptual standpoint on what we need to look at from a request perspective, testing perspective, and other controls for intrusion detection testing. So coming back to the request, settings required to verify security events are logged from the Windows Server. Some examples I've listed here on what kind of events you will see from a Windows Server perspective. This is very specific to Windows Server.